everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I am here with new and amazing recipe, which is seekh kebab masala recipe. I am 100% sure you will like my today recipe. I am very glad to share this recipe with you. I made this recipe with homemade masala. Let's to word counter. First, I will show the ingredients that help you to make perfect recipe. Ingredients for seekh kebab. Ingredients for gravy and garnishing. This is all ingredients which I will use in this recipe. First, I will chop the kebab ingredients in chopper. Let's start. Keema, coriander, green chili, onion, black pepper and jeera, garam masala, 1 egg, bread slice, now chop the all ingredients. Crushed red chili, salt, it's done. Now move forward to next step. Take half cup oil, onion, fry the onion until its color turn into brown. Ginger garlic paste. Cook it well. We are preparing the gravy of seekh kebab. Tomato. Cook it properly. Salt. Red chili powder. Garam masala powder. Coriander powder. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Add water and cover with lid. I will make a seekh kebab and fry in hot oil. You can see the method how to make a seekh kebab. Alhamdulillah, it's ready to add in the gravy. Add turmeric. Cook it properly. Now we will add yogurt into the gravy. We will cook it until its water properly dry. Jeera. We will add seekh kebab that we had already fried. Cook it 10 minutes. Look at the beautiful color of gravy. At the end, we will add green chili and ginger as a garnishing. Coriander. Finally, it's ready to serve. Hope so you like my recipe. Kindly subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends.